Alright, what is up everybody? This is Chad Wick from the Michigan RC Club. Look what we have here. We're going to do a little unboxing video of the new Team Associated TC7.2. This just came out. I just cut the seals on it. I have not opened it yet. So here we go. There's the belts. Oh, there's just a big bag of little bags. Alright. So it comes all neatly packaged in a bag of parts, and lots of nice carbon fiber and all your good stuff in there. So pretty easy unboxing, I guess. It's just a big bunch of parts. So let's take a look at the instructions and see what we're looking at here. And the typical awesome Team Associated instructions. The cool thing about this car is the spools right here are metal. They're not plastic and garbage like most. They come metal stock from the factory, which is pretty sweet from what I hear. But a lot of the guys, well, since we race carpet, the carpet guys say to get the aluminum chassis. I guess it puts, more weight down low, gets that CG low, but we'll see. Of course, I'm going to see how it works with the carbon fiber bags. Lots of fun little parts. All kind of good stuff. Here, lots of metal jingling, the oils, of course. Some fancy blue stuff. Yep. Looks like we're just got little bags. It says 1 and 2. So I think they're trying to refine probably their process, but this is one of the first ones in existence. I ordered it at I think it was 4 o'clock in the morning the day it was released, and here it is. So we'll touch base again once it's built.